Well, I figured it was about time to start to roll out with the Christmas content. Hey, I'm Janelle, and this is toDIYfor. If you're new to my channel, would love for you to subscribe. I do new DIYs every single Wednesday. A lot of it is very affordable, renter-friendly, because that's what I am, and I love to thrift things and do things on the cheap. So today I'm actually going to share with you a little bit of some DIY dollar store Christmas decor. Very simple little effect here, and I'm going to put together an entire little centerpiece. Of course, you could use this as a display literally anywhere in your home, but let's get into this quick and easy DIY.
All right, so I started with these small little tumblers that I picked up at the dollar store. A set of 6 cost me $4. You could also use glassware that you already have at home. So all the other thing that you need is just this paint marker, and you're going to draw on whatever you want. I chose to do kind of a wintry type scene with a lot of different pine trees, large, small, some with tree trunks, some not. I drew a little bit of snow along the bottom of some of the glasses and just kind of alternated these all around. I even drew a little bit of snowflakes on a few of them, just like some simple little dots. So I also think that you could do this on vases. So if you wanted to do like really tall vases that you already have at home, you could totally do this. And the beauty of this project is you use a little bit of Windex and it wipes right off. So literally you could use glasses from your cupboard and just, clean them off when you're done having your little dinner party. I kind of assembled this together in the middle of a table with a swag that I thrifted. Now you could go to the dollar store. They actually have decent greenery there, and you could put something very similar to this together. I love how it's low profile, it's simple, it's cute, it's great for a dinner party, and I love the way the lights look, the little tea lights in these little kind of votives almost. So you don't have to do it like this, but I also think these could look really great styled on a windowsill or maybe in an arrangement on top of a fireplace. And again, you could use tall vases, and I mean, the sky's the limit. So let me know what you thought of this DIY. I'll be back next week with some more Christmas ideas for you.